So, are you thinking about going on a vacation? Are you ready? I am. So let's talk about car emergency kits. Not a very fun topic for a vacation, but it's something we need to pay attention to. So here's my car emergency kit. It has everything that my car needs in case of a car emergency. But is that all that can happen when I am on vacation? Do you know what's in your car emergency kit? If you don't, we need to take a look at that. So let's talk about some of the events that may happen while we are on the road that could sour every memory of our vacation if we don't prepare ahead of time. I was looking through some car emergency kits, and they're wonderful. They have everything you need to fix your car.
Sometimes it even includes a compact first aid kit and a reflective vest, which are very important. But is that all you need?
There are some events that could happen while you are traveling.
You could be in your vehicle or not in your vehicle. For obvious reasons, when we travel by car, we avoid thinking what could happen while we are on the road, or to the highways we will be driving on, or to the locations where we will be stopping for food, for gas, or to spend the night.
Miles and miles, even days away from home, on a fun trip, or even on a business trip. It could also happen a few minutes from home. I have been stuck on the road over 2 hours, just 20 minutes away from my home. It's very frustrating. Some of the events that could happen would be a tropical storm, floods, a tornado, earthquake, or a heat wave, sinkholes and landslides. Unexpected severe snowstorms happen. Some people have even been stuck overnight on the freeways. We see that all the time during severe winters. Long hours traffic backups. That has also happened to me in the summer.
And I did not have water in my car. But water is not all that we need. If there is a flood on the road, for example,
have you thought that an evacuation could happen where you're going to stop for gas or food, no water, or even to sleep? A forest fire could happen. A car could break down at night in the middle of nowhere. Whether if it is one of those dead zones, we know there are miles and miles of dead zones on highway, deep canyon and mountain areas that don't have cell tower access. A Teamsters strike, roadblock, standoff could happen.
What if an earthquake happens and damage the roads? A solar flare can cause power blackouts and all your electronics to malfunction, including your digital car keys, your cell phone, and your electric vehicle's Wi-Fi systems. A power outage will also shut down gas station pumps and electric vehicles' charging stations. The ATMs will not work, convenience stores will close, and your credit cards cannot be processed anywhere without a power generator or power backup source. Maybe you have a $50 bill or a $20 bill in your wallet, but all you need is a bottle of water. But you don't have small bills or coins for change. Are you going to pay $50 for a bottle of water or $10 for a candy bar if you were very hungry? There are lots of things you should think about before getting in your car and heading off on the road. You must prepare well ahead of time. And since a comprehensive car emergency kit, the one comprised mostly of metal tools, does not contain all you need for emergencies while traveling, you must build a supplemental kit yourself and keep it in your trunk as well. A supplemental car emergency kit is for your car only. It is to be kept in your car, to be used only when you are traveling by car. No matter how tempted, you should not remove your supplemental car emergency kit from the trunk. A link for a checklist to build a supplemental car emergency kit is in the description here below. We encourage you to build that supplemental kit for true peace of mind before your next car trip. Again, the supplemental car emergency kit does not replace the standard car emergency kit. It supplements it with vital items that you will need in an emergency while traveling. Make your car emergency kit and a supplemental car emergency kit a priority before you leave on your next trip. Check the link below for the checklist. We would love to hear from you on the comments below. Safe travels. Thank you for watching.